Look who's back. Hello, sweetie pie. Aren't you beautiful? So, is it iridescent, fluorescent, whatever you are, it's gorgeous. Look at you. Aren't you wonderful? Well, they're peaceful doves, or peace doves, aren't they? Peaceful doves? Aren't they cute? My little Indian ring-necked parakeet, my star of the show, flew away. So, well, the show must go on. The show still has to go on. And there's a little double-barred finch in the corner. One of the minor players. I could be waiting a long time for that beautiful green parrot to come back. So double-barred finch in the foreground and peaceful doves. How close can we get to the peaceful doves? Can we see their blue eye makeup? No, we're not close enough. They have lovely blue eye makeup, pale azure, right around their eyes. Well, some people like to spend all their money at the pub. I'd rather spend all my spare dollars on just attracting birds to the garden. Look, this pomegranate. This pomegranate, somebody's been eating all the jewels. Look, some little hungry parrot has been eating all the jewels. Let's put out some apple for them anyway. Look, this apple's slightly rotten, so it's got all that lovely bletted jelly. Birds like that. All that lovely bletted jelly, it's like a custard. They used to deliberately blet fruit in the old days. They're like medlars, deliberately bletted they were. Say that, deliberately bletted. I'll just leave these apples here for them. Yes, imagine deliberately paying people at the pub for all that booze to burn your brain cells out with, when you could spend that same money on feeding the birds. Really? Look, an empty blackbird's nest. It's abandoned, but it's a beautiful piece of basketry, isn't it, really? It's a very beautiful piece of basketry. Look at all that beautiful handiwork. Lovely blackbird's nest. Yes, the blackbird's nest is made out of sticks and hair and mud and dung. I think they use cow and horse dung, but they also use mud. You see them rolling up mud, the blackbirds. A bit like a potter wasp rolls up mud. Similar sort of process. They collect the mud and use it as daub.